Hello guys, how to buy Bitcoin in Europe with euros with less than 30 seconds, 60 seconds, let's say, with SEPA direct payment. There is 21 Bitcoin app. You need to register, add cash first if it's not recurring payment. If it's recurrent payment, it will be converted automatically to Bitcoin if you want, or this is the only option. And then you can send it directly to your hardware wallet, also like Bitbox 02 Bitcoin only. So to add cash, we need to. I already added 28 euros, but let's say if you need to add cash, you need to go to click this first icon, take the house icon, then add cash, bank transfer, deposit EUR to your 21 Bitcoin account. Please note the following information. You can send it only from your bank account that has your name on it, and you need to include the unique description there, and it takes maximum 2 business days, but basically this is what you need to understand. Then there is IBAN, there is the name, that it's Fior Digital CMB, it's their name, 21 Bitcoin name, minimum deposit 15, maximum deposit 100,000, and deposit fee is free, and then payment purpose is the special code that is basically to add cash in my account. If I would put and then you can send direct SEPA. It's fast. It would already arrive basically if you would do it, and then instead savings, you can do savings plan, then you pay less also for the fees. Then there is SP in the front of the, it's like standing order, so every time you send money it will be automatically converted to Bitcoin, and there is SP in the front, you can see here in the payment purpose. And the other one was, if I add cash, there was no SP in the front, it was direct deposit, basically TP, instead of savings plan, and then it goes automatically Bitcoin, and then you can send it directly to your key also if you want. And this you can set up here in the auto transfer, area purpose to Bitbox, deactivate. Okay, then when it arrives, ding ding, it arrived. I already have 28 euros here. It's like 1 hour of my work. That's why I like to make this example. Then I put buy, basically. Buy Bitcoin, available 28. Okay. Preview burgers. Then it shows the price I will get. Fee is 0.49 because this is the minimum basically. So it would be better to buy basically better 50 euros at a time to optimize the fee. Then it's 1%. Or is it? Yeah. So you can get 1% fee, but then it's better you buy 50 euros, 49 euros minimum. Now my fee will be 2% then, or something. Okay, confirm. I already bought it. Okay, completed, click back. Okay, my euro balance is 0. Let's put my Bitcoin. Okay. It went directly to my key, I assume. and withdrawal, yeah, basically it went automatically to my key. In other case, you would send it manually, basically from here, send, then you choose your wallet, you add your wallet or scan the QR code. Next, the sats you want to send, then you can choose which wallet, and then boom, it's done. And why do buy Bitcoin? It's up 43% in 1 month. So I really recommend to start to TCA BTC, study it, and then yeah, my investments by now in this demo account, you can see I invested 2,891 in 11 buys, so I'm paying every month basically, and it's up 45%. It's from this year, I think, all the payments, and then total is 4,600,000 sats, and cost basis is 62, so not so good, but the more it goes in the time, more cost basis will be lower, because price always goes higher because there is only 21 million Bitcoin. Yeah, and if you want to add my code to get this extra 0.2%, minus 0.2% from the fees, you can basically use my code, that is TCA BTC, and you can send your code to your friends, and it goes into the referral status basically. You can put here TCA BTC. I can't add my code, of course. And then you have this permanent minus 0.2% fee, and then you can have 1% fee only total to buy Bitcoin. Okay, I hope it was useful, and thank you. And if you have comments, let me know. If you have questions, let me know in the comments. Bye.